Let's look at how we can set the parameter values. The first value we want to set is the bottom reference value, Bref. This is the distance from the transmitter face to the bottom of the tank. With this particular model, MSP422-B28, the factory default value is 8 meters. Looking at the display, the value on the display, the PV or process value, is based upon the factory default setting of Bref being 8 meters. To enter the parameter menu, press the green button. The display now shows Bref. Press the green button again and you will see the other parameters in the menu. 4, 20, D, AL, S-4, S-20, Learn. Now we're back to the PV, or the process value display. Select the bottom reference Bref parameter. Now let's assume in this example we have a tank with a bottom reference, i.e. from the transmitter face to the bottom of the tank, of 1 meter. Now here on the floor I have a board to simulate the liquid level in the tank. I also have the transmitter connected to a digital indicator. The digital indicator is programmed to have a scale of 0 to 100% for an input signal of 4 to 20 milliamps. So we need to change the factory default value of Bref from 8 meters to 1 meter. So we've used the green button to select Bref. Now press the blue button. This shows the current value of bottom reference. Press the blue button again and the first digit starts to flash. This means that we can start editing. Use the green button to change that to 1. Now move along using the blue button until we come to the end. Press the red button to accept it, and the bottom reference value has now changed from 8 meters to 1 meter. The next parameter is 4, and this is the value for the 4 milliamp output. The factory default value is 0 meters. It can be changed in a similar manner by using the blue, green and red buttons. The next parameter is 20. This is the value for the 20 milliamp output, and the factory default is 7.5 meters. In my example, I want to change this from 7.5 meters to 1 meter. So use the blue button to select, so we can it's flashing, so we can start editing and change that to 1 meter. Then the red to accept. D is a damping value. The factory default is 10. This is 10 seconds. It is applied as a smoothing to the level reading and the current output. It has the effect of smoothing out rapid changes of level or turbulence and ripples on the liquid surface. The default is 10, but it can be changed to a maximum of 999 seconds if required. The next parameter is AL. This is the parameter for action on alarm condition. If the target echo is lost for more than 10 seconds, the transmitter will signal an alarm condition. There are 3 options available: high, hold and low. High. With high, the output will be increased to 21 milliamps and it will remain there until the correct target echo is achieved. The display will flash LE. Low. With option low, the output will decrease to 3.6 milliamps and remain there until the correct target echo is recovered. Hold. This is the factory default condition. The current will freeze at the value of the last reading and remain there until a correct target echo is recovered. So, let's simulate a false reading. Okay, I'll just come out of here. Let's simulate a false reading. I'll put an obstruction under the blanking distance, i.e. within 30 meters of the transmitter face. The transmitter is programmed with a damping value of 10 seconds, so it will take 10 seconds for the alarm condition to be actioned. A few more seconds. Here, it's flashing LE and the display is at the last acceptable value. The next parameter is S-4. Parameters S4 and S20 are used to set the milliamp, 4 milliamp and 20 milliamp levels using a ranging technique. However, if the 4 and 20 milliamp levels have already been programmed in the 4 and 20 parameters, as we've done previously, then this part of the menu can be skipped. The next parameter is Learn. MSP422 has a routine that allows the instrument to learn up to 2 false echoes. These can then be ignored in future operations. If the application is simple and there are no false echoes, as in this example, then press the green button to return the instrument to the normal operating level. All parameters are held in EEPROM memory. In the event of a power failure, the transmitter will remember all of its last parameter values and resume correct operation once the power is restored.